When dealing with heavy machinery, every single component matters, and sometimes the most crucial parts are the ones that go unnoticed. One such critical component is the fuel injection pump, specifically designed for the Caterpillar C9.3 engine. This pump plays a vital role in ensuring that engines like those in 12M, 140M, and 160M motor graders and various Caterpillar excavators continue to operate efficiently and reliably. The reference part number for this replacement pump is 511-7975, 5,117,975, a key identifier for those sourcing the correct component. Fuel injection pumps are not glamorous. They're not something you notice until something goes wrong. But they are the backbone of diesel engine performance. Their main job is to deliver fuel to the engine cylinders under high pressure at precisely the right timing. If that timing is off, or if the pump is underperforming, the engine suffers. Symptoms include poor acceleration, inconsistent power, excessive exhaust smoke, and in worst cases, complete engine failure. The Caterpillar C9.3 engine is widely used in heavy-duty equipment, and machines like the 12M, 140M, and 160M motor graders are integral to infrastructure projects and construction sites around the world. Even a short period of downtime can lead to serious operational delays and financial losses. That's why having a high-quality replacement fuel injection pump is not just maintenance, it's a proactive investment in uptime and productivity. This replacement pump is engineered to meet OEM specifications. Every detail has been considered, from the precision machining of internal components to the housing, mounting points, and calibration standards. This ensures a seamless fit and optimal performance when installed. For mechanics and fleet operators, this means straightforward installation with no need for modifications or recalibration beyond standard procedures. Durability is another critical factor. Heavy equipment doesn't operate in controlled environments. These machines face constant exposure to dust, dirt, vibration, extreme temperatures, and fluctuating loads. A fuel injection pump has to withstand all these challenges while maintaining precise fuel delivery. This replacement pump is built with high-quality materials and engineered for long-term performance, making it suitable for demanding job site conditions. Cost-effectiveness is also a major advantage. OEM Caterpillar parts are reliable but can be expensive. Compatible replacements, like this fuel injection pump, provide a more affordable solution without compromising on performance or reliability. For construction companies and fleet managers, this translates into significant savings over time, especially when managing multiple pieces of heavy equipment. Proactive maintenance is another area where this pump proves invaluable. Waiting for an injection pump failure can be extremely costly, leading to machine downtime, delayed projects, and potential damage to other engine components. Keeping a replacement pump on hand ensures that maintenance can be performed quickly, reducing operational interruptions. It's a strategy that saves both time and money. From a technical perspective, the Caterpillar C9.3 engine relies on precise mechanical fuel injection. Unlike modern electronically controlled high-pressure fuel systems, these mechanical systems are highly reliable and robust but require components like this pump to operate flawlessly. By ensuring the pump meets strict quality standards, operators can maintain engine efficiency, optimal power output, and reduced emissions. In addition to its mechanical reliability, this pump supports efficient fuel use. Diesel fuel is expensive, and any inefficiency in fuel injection translates directly into higher operating costs. A properly functioning fuel injection pump ensures complete combustion, maximizing engine performance while minimizing fuel consumption and emissions.